Hi, welcome to MUP. Today, I will explain you about our tabletop tank systems. We will see two different versions of them. This one right behind me is for 3 cubic meters, which is suitable for fish farm, larvae application, or aquatic quarantine systems, or many other livestock species. Two important points about this tank. First of all, it's completely integrated and welded onto its table, which is completely welded all together. So you just carry it on site, give the final position, plug the water connections, and run. More important function of this tank, as you can see, small grazing or shading of small squared structure here. I can show you the internal structure of the walls, which is a closed cell polypropylene sheet. This lets us to make lighter units much more resistant and robust, and most importantly, it's giving us a super thermal protection, especially for the cold water applications. On our tank, here you can see we have one inlet which is calculated and designed with CFD, computerized fluid dynamics. And after a good circulation, we have one adjustable overflow for the surface skimming and another outlet port where you can install some back filters inside down to 10 micron deflation. Okay, let's see the second tank. And from the tabletop series, our second unit is a much more heavy duty tank, which is holding 10 cubic meters of water. And because of the weight of the water, material water, the underneath table and chassis is made out of GRP. And our test loading rate is for 20 tons. Especially this unit is designed and made for fresh and saltwater sea plants, like algae, seaweeds, and other fresh and marine plantation. Here you can see the inside. So on each cell, we will apply some holding racks to plant different type of species. And at the end of the unit, there's a raceway kind of structure. So when we are pushing water from one channel, it's passing through here and following the other channel. So we have nice continuous flow. As usual, the tank is designed and manufactured for plug and play. So all we need to do is take this in a container, place it on site, make the water connections, and run the system. Thanks for watching us.